How's it going, UB2B, Facey, Bookie, and anybody who gives a rat's ass? Here we are out at the range. We're going to be test firing it today. And Colin with the yawn. He's got a few things to say before we start.
I'd like to thank Dirt Dart 504 for donating the upper to my AR15. Thank you again and again, and I can't stop thanking you, man. I'd also like to thank Third Op for donating some mags and a Wolverine patch for my dad.
And the front and the rear sight, dude.
And the rear flip-up sight. I'd also like to thank Pre-Dawn Death for donating some mags.
And the charging handle.
And I'd like to thank Fabrizio for donating some mags and an extension to the latch on the charging handle.
Alright, so he's going to do first few shots out of it. And then we'll switch. You'll get to see me shoot an AR for a couple of rounds. And of course I had to bring out the AK because I can't do all AR. Alright, so go ahead, Kyle. Yeah, just gotta drop the bolt. There you go. And that's it. Those were the first 10. Ran like a champ, huh? What do you think?
I think she's beautiful and runs beautifully. I'd like to thank everybody who donated because she runs beautifully.
And we all know that. Look at that smile. We all know that kind of smile. First rounds down a brand new gun that's yours. Oh, you always get that kind of a smile, right? All right, I'm going to shut this down. He's going to film, and I'm going to throw 10 rounds real quick. All right. And that was my bad. I try and rock in a damn AR. Oh, it's not supposed to. Scared a rabbit. All right, let's get some real firearm going. All right. That's it, baby. All right. So what do you think?
Doesn't kick quite as much as the AK.
Well, yeah, because it's only shooting that little girl round of 22. You know, an AK is like an AR, but for men. So, but no, Marines use them, so you can't call Marines not men, right? All right, hit the bolt. Nope, nope, just hit the bolt. There you go. You ready to rock and roll? That's it. That's what we had for today. Now here, hold that for a minute, keep it filming. We're gonna get the last of the AK love. Of course I brought a little more AK out. Here, I'm gonna put my mag in my standard pouch. Little Church of the Second Amendment love. Just a little bit of AK love for the week. Maybe a little pistol love too. Let's see here now. So a little bit of range love. Short, sweet, and to the point. And you notice there's a safety. I can then shove it in my pocket and not care. For all you guys who know we've been talking about here lately. Anyway, I do want to thank everybody that's contributed to that AR build. It was awesome. And you'll be seeing more footage of it. It's just it's cold, it's winter, you ain't got much ammo, and it's muddy as hell out here today. So we'll see you later and you'll get to watch us zero in and plenty more range time. Later.